Oh, he hit a big puddle. Detail's not going to be happy with him.
Are we ready?
I'm ready, Freddy.
Okay, hey everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and to my immediate right is a 1965 Chevy Impala SS. What you first have to do is like and subscribe to our lovely videos. It's all up here, and there's our phone number in case you want to call. Man, I love doing that.
Yeah, and if you like and subscribe and hit the bell, don't forget.
Oh, never forget to hit the bell.
Because 90% of you aren't subscribed, by the way. And
How dare you?
Why the heck that is.
How dare you?
Then you get notified when we make cool videos like this, and you get to see these awesome Impalas.
They're the coolest videos of all time.
All the other stuff.
And we have a lot of other stuff. So this one, 1965 Impala with a 350 crate motor. It's a TH350 automatic 3-speed transmission. It's a beautiful red color with black vinyl. You know how many vinyls it took to make this car? I have no idea what a vinyl is.
How
many? Several. You have the keys? Gosh, I forgot them.
Oh, they're in my pocket.
Oh, good.
Somewhere.
Look at that. That GoPro does not come with it.
No, you can open the trunk now if you want.
Oh, okay. I think I shall. I think I shall, and I think I will.
We got solid floors back here.
Solid.
Solid. It's notched. There you go.
Oh, you're asking the guy that's colorblind to tell you what color it is. Look at these look at this. This is beautiful.
Nice SS black floor mats. Like I said, solid floors, and we got a Kenwood amp back there.
Nice.
So good sound system.
Nice aftermarket sound system, really is.
Yes.
Then,
and
that's good.
we wet sanded this car, so this paint is like a mirror now.
Look how
This
gorgeous
red
it
paint.
is.
Oh, it's gorgeous, all right.
The kids at Detail really knocked themselves out on this one. The black vinyl. I love the black and red combo. I like the center console and the bucket seats. Obviously, the instrumentation panel is really nice.
I like the painted dashboard.
Well, who doesn't?
Black vinyl seats, the Impala logo in the back seat.
Oh.
Right there. Gotta
Isn't
love that.
nice?
Nice headliner and everything.
And I think it's got working heat.
Oh, yes.
I'm excited about the working heat. Shall we go, Jake, and
Let's
drive
go.
this bad boy? Let's do it.
Smooth.
Look at that. Isn't that something?
What is it, a vacuum meter?
It is.
It's manifold vacuum.
Isn't that something?
We have a gauge for that.
We have a gauge for that.
It's something, all right.
Oh, it's something?
This thing started right up.
Oh, it did.
It's been sitting out here cold for a while, too.
And it is
It's a
not
brisk, like
warm.
34 degrees maybe outside today.
Feels like it.
Not warm.
Nice little
Certainly not warm. We got a nice radio in here. I think it's upgraded. It looks digital.
It is.
They didn't come out with digital radios in the 60s.
No, they didn't.
Our heat controls are down here. I have it on hot.
I feel it.
I have it on hot. It's
happening.
It is cold today. Like I said, I like the nice painted dash. Matches the rest of the body. I like a good painted dash.
I like the good 373 gears in the back.
They're classy. Oh yeah, 373 gears?
And Posi-Traction.
That's why this thing's so peppy.
I was wondering myself.
The 350 crate is healthy. It makes a lot of power.
Oh, yes, it does.
And it sounds good. I like the exhaust on it. But yeah, 373 gears.
That'll make it go, go,
I
go.
was wondering why it felt so quick.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, listen to it.
Well, I'm listening.
Got a nice rumble.
It does. It's a nice big car. I love the power steering.
Yeah, big steering wheel with the Impala badge in the center of it. And the horn works. Yes, it does.
Hi, everybody.
Really nice car.
It is. Drives like a dream.
It's a big car, too.
Oh, it's not small. You can fit two Hondas in it.
Only a two-door, but it's probably 17 feet long at least.
At least.
And because it's a big car, you have big back seats.
For any size people.
For real people, any size. And they're plush.
Oh, yes. That black leather. Our black vinyl. Apologize.
Black vinyl. It's nice.
It's a very nice cruising vehicle. It's a cruiser for sure.
Even the headliner.
Oh, they did a good job.
Great
Whoever
condition.
redid it.
The fit and finish, pretty nice.
I like a nice car with a fit and a finish.
You know, and some of it's a little old looking, like the dash is very original. It's starting to show its age, just a bit. But I mean, it's a good driver.
Oh, it is. It's absolutely a great driver. You can drive it to car shows.
And you have heat, so you can drive it in the winter.
Thank goodness, because man, it gets chilly around here in Missouri.
It does
I don't know
get
about you
chilly.
people.
Oh, it's cold right now.
Oh boy, it's cold.
Oh, and
Yes.
you have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking.
Don't do it.
Don't smoke, kids.
Where's the ashtray at? I wonder.
It's bad for you.
Yeah.
Got a nice glove box right here.
Big
And the
gloves.
little light inside the glove box works.
Now that's super cool.
Look at that. Everything works. The dome lights work.
They do.
Very nice car. And it sounds good.
Oh, it does sound good. And I'm telling you, look at that. Well, the GoPro can see it too, but look at that, so shiny.
Yeah, it's very shiny
It's
paint.
like a mirror.
The wet sanding was important.
It was.
And look at that big hood that's about 7 feet long.
Yeah.
You can barely see where the car ends.
Yeah, I had to stop like an hour ago to get it to stop here. So long. I'm not giving it its frijoles yet. Still a little chilly. We'll get up there. This is a great car. It's got nice lines. It's a throwback to 1965.
Power steering.
Oh yes, very much
And
so.
oh my goodness, the clock works.
Get out of the city.
It's ticking. The clock is ticking.
My goodness.
And it's working. And I like the little SS badge too down here.
It
on the
came up with
console.
everything. I like this console.
It's sporty.
Oh wow, it is warm down
As
there.
sporty as an Impala can be.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look where we're at.
Yes. It's the old beans
Time
test.
for a beans test.
We got to get up to 35 miles an hour quick.
Yes. Oh! A little bit of beans.
Well, good gravy. 35 miles an hour. That was fast.
Yeah, 35, that was it.
Yeah, that's
you know,
it.
for a big, heavy car, it has a pretty good amount of beans.
She showed some frijoles.
That crate engine's pretty nice.
It is a nice one. Oh, is that a police officer down there? Well, we'll have to go slow.
All right, you ready to do some flybys?
Yes. I would like to do a flyby, please.
Okay, let's fly by.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good deal.
Oh, he hit a big puddle. Detail's not going to be happy with him.
She's got an appreciable amount of beans.
Detail's going to hate you.
Yeah, they're really going to get mad because I hit that
You had a
water.
pretty good puddle there.
Well, I mean, how do you avoid it?
That's all right.
This boat wants to hit that water.
That's
and
what
I
cars
can
are for.
understand.
They're meant to be driven.
Amen. So,
right.
you want to drive this big guy back?
Of course I do.
Come on, let's go.